Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Piyush and I am a tech enthusiast. Tech excites me and I keep looking for my next gadget. In my previous video, I showed you how to get the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for just 5,249 rupees. Now I'm going to show you how to get the Sony Buds WF-1000 for just 12,490 rupees. The MRP being around 26,990 and the current price on Amazon about 16,990. It's very simple. All you have to do is click the link in the description and it will take you directly to the Amazon website product page. Add the item to your cart and then select your address. Add your SBI card details and get an instant discount of 4,500 rupees. If you don't have an SBI card, you can pay by another card and get an instant discount of 3,000 rupees. This offer is only valid during the Amazon Great Indian Festival. Subscribe, like, and comment your favorite product so that I can find a good deal for you. Happy shopping!